Let's see how well you understand the 4 R's. Help Katie sort the items on the screen using reuse, reduce, recycle, and respond. Drag and drop the correct label onto the correct image and then click Submit. You got it. Reuse plastic plates. Recycle apple cores into compost. Reuse gift wrapping paper. Respond by discussing recycling with your friends. Reduce by buying a large bag of cookies instead of individual packs. Recycle soda cans. Let's recap what we learned. Reduce the use of energy and natural gases. Buy less of products like electrical and electronic goods. Avoid overpackaged items. Reuse items instead of throwing them away, or pass them on to others who can use them. Reuse glass jars and plastic bottles. Recycling saves energy and protects natural resources. With recycling, reusable materials can be remade into either the same product or new products. Respond is as important as reduce, reuse, and recycle. Educate your friends about saving the environment. Make good choices to help the environment. Armed with these tips, let's hope Katie can help her friends by reducing trash and cleaning up the bayou. Katie and her dad have put together a quiz for her friends at school. This is part of Katie's Respond initiative. Let's see how many you can answer correctly.
Here's the first one.
Identify 3 major pollutants in a landfill from this list. You got it. The 3 pollutants in this list are soda cans, plastic bottles, and car tires.
Here comes another.
Recycling just one of these is enough to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours. What is it? You got it. Recycling 1 plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours.
Here is the next one.
The 4 R's are reduce, blank, recycle, and respond. Fill in the blank. You got it. The 4 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle, and respond.
Here is the next one.
What should you do with used glass bottles? You got it. The best way to use glass bottles is to wash and reuse them as storage containers. This is even better than recycling them.
Here is the last one.
Choose the more nature-friendly alternative from the following. You got it. The best choices are a brown bag for lunch, downloadable MP3s, shredded paper packaging, a glass of water.
Unnecessary and unacceptable change in the surrounding environment due to natural events or human activities is called as environmental pollution. Ultimate adverse effects of all these is on existence of all the living organisms, and out of this, environmental conservation has become the need of our various reasons like population explosion, fast industrialization, and indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation, and unplanned urbanization are responsible for environmental pollution. Pollution is a broad concept. Various types of pollutions like that of air, water, soil, and radioactive pollution occur around us. Many times, general public is unknown that its activities are harmful to environment, and thereby unknowingly many activities happen. If human has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself can conserve and improve the quality of nature. As Gifford Pinchot has rightly said, conservation is the application of common sense to common problems for the common good. Human established domination over nature. Human utilize all natural resources as much as possible. In an attempt to live a satisfactory life, human kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible, and this led to increase in problems. Ministry of Environment and Forest is involved in planning, inducting, and increasing awareness about environment and forest through various programs since 1985. Forest Conservation Act of 1980 was acted to control deforestation. Penalties for offences in reserve forest. No person is allowed to set fire or clearings. Cattle are not permitted. No permission to collect any forest products. Protected forest. No permission to do anything for trees which are mentioned in Act. Any person who disobeys this law is entitled to imprisonment for 15 days. Objectives of the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Protect and enhance the quality of air resources. Protect public health and welfare while fostering a beneficial productive capacity. Prevention, control and abatement of air pollution. Gives power to board for ensuring that there are proper systems for prevention of pollution. Environment Protection Act 1986. Objectives. The Act to provide for protection and improvement of environment, prevention of hazards to human beings, other living creatures, plants and property, for prevention and control of environment pollution, laying standards for quality of environment, restrictions of areas for location of industries, safeguards for handling hazardous substances, research relating to environmental pollution. Any person who disobeys this law is entitled for either 5-year imprisonment or fine up to rupees 1 lakh. Why to conserve forest? Forest prevents soil erosion, reduces air pollution, produces oxygen, provides various medicinal plants, reduces soil pollution, prevents global warming, serves as a recreation for tourism. The big story of a small man named Jadav Molai Payang. This man is a highly capable person who was born in a nomadic tribe of Assam in the year 1963. Single-handedly, he established a new forest known as Molai Jungle, and in the year 2015 had been awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the Government of India for this unparalleled work.